DYMO LabelWriter 450. The Inkless, Stressless, speed demon label printer your office secretly craves. Let's be real, sheet labels are the prehistoric scrolls of the office world. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 is here to retire the dinosaur nonsense with a printer that's lean, mean, and faster than your boss's Wi-Fi. It spits out labels at up to 51 labels per minute like it's in a caffeine-fueled label frenzy. Address labels, barcodes, folder tabs, name badges, you name it, it prints it directly from Word, Excel, Outlook, or Google Contacts. Why waste time wrestling with janky sheets or burning money on ink when this bad boy requires zero toner or cartridges? That's not productivity, it's label liberation. This isn't just some clunky box with a USB port. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 is sleek, compact, and modern AF, making it a sexy addition to any desk setup. Yes, we said sexy. Its direct thermal printing means crisp, smudge-free labels every single time, and it doesn't throw tantrums like standard printers. No paper jams, no ink warnings, no tech drama. Just pure, unfussy labeling glory. Whether you're a neat freak or a shipping guru, this beast is your new best friend. Oh, and it plays nice with both Windows and Mac, because label love knows no OS boundaries. Still feeding inkjet printers like they're starving monsters? Stop that madness. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 is a budget slayer, cutting costs with every label you print. No ink equals no drama equals more budget for coffee. It's not just efficient, it's ruthless in all the right ways. From custom labels on demand to effortless connectivity and label design via the included DYMO software, this printer is a high-speed, money-saving ninja. You'll label like a pro, look like an organizational deity, and still have time left to scroll memes during office hours. This isn't DYMO's first rodeo. They've been label lords since 1958, and the LabelWriter 450 proves it. Built to last and designed to hustle, it's not just effective, it's a productivity powerhouse. The build quality is tight, the setup is smoother than jazz, and the print precision is chef's kiss. It's tech-tested, office-approved, and client-envy-inducing. Plus, it works with a wide range of DYMO authentic labels in every size you could ever want. Not compatible with stamps? Who cares, you'll be too busy admiring your newly organized kingdom. Whether you're running a small biz, shipping Etsy dreams, organizing a chaotic filing cabinet, or just into labeling everything like a control freak, this machine gets you. It's fast, durable, efficient, affordable, and straight up smarter than whatever printer you're using now. The DYMO LabelWriter 450 isn't a printer, it's a productivity mic drop. Skip the ink, dodge the hassle, and get your label game on lock. Your future self, and your stapler, will thank you.